In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send Gmail email with attachment on WhatsApp. To begin, open the Gmail app on your device and find the email that contains the attachment you want to share. Tap the email to open it, then scroll until you see the attached file. Now download that attachment to your device. In most cases, you will tap the download icon, and the file will save automatically. If your phone asks for permission to save files, allow it so the download can complete. It is important to wait until the download finishes before moving on, because WhatsApp can only send files that are already stored on your device. Once the attachment is saved, switch over to WhatsApp. Open the app and go to your chats. Select the contact you want to send the file to, and open that conversation so you are on the message screen. Take a moment to confirm you have the correct chat, especially if you have several similar contact names. Next, look near the message box and tap the plus icon. This opens the menu for sharing different types of content. From the options that appear, select Document. Choosing Document is the key step here because it lets you send files like PDFs, Word documents, spreadsheets, and many other attachment types while keeping the original file quality. After you tap Document, your phone will show a file picker. Navigate to the location where your Gmail attachment was saved. Many devices place downloads in a folder called Downloads, but it may also appear in a recent files list. Find the file you just downloaded and tap it to select it. If you have trouble locating it, look for the exact file name shown in Gmail or sort by most recent to make it easier to spot. Finally, review the selected document in WhatsApp, then tap Send. The file will upload and deliver in the chat, and the recipient will be able to download it directly from the conversation. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.